Charlie coming out.
It's lemonade.
Wait. 3 days.
I am becoming her. I am definitely becoming her, sorry.
Hold on, sorry.
Sorry.
I'm gonna be eating myself. Nice. Don't die. Oh no, he died.
And me and Mark can burp on command. Fart!
Plastic ones for me.
They said not to have a lot of water, but I have to. And what are you gonna do? You gonna go party after this? Oh,
Oh my god.
Another one coming on. We're gonna go for some big ones now. The big one. Nope, that's not it.